wòlíì Tibetan ní kí wọ́n jẹ́ kí gbogbo èèyàn máa gbébọn kíjọba legalize ammunition káàbò tó dájú kó lè wà fún gbogbo èèyàn pátápátá. pé bí àwọn Fúlàní darandaran bí wọ́n ṣe ń gbébọn káwọn ilẹ̀ Yorùbá náà máa gbébọn káwọn ará Ìgbò náà máa gbébọn débi pé bẹ́ẹ̀ni bọ́dì bá wá tó lóun fẹ́ àtáàkì anybody pé wọ́n á tètè wá nǹkan ṣe sí. ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ kúnnú fọ́nrán yìí o pàápàá gbogbo àwọn àṣírí àwọn Fúlàní tí bàbá yìí tú gbogbo ohun tó ti ń da Nàìjíríà láàmú tó ń da àwọn àgbẹ̀ láàmú tipẹ́tipẹ́ láti gbáyé independence. ǹjẹ́ bàbá yìí tiẹ̀ ní kí Nàìjíríà pín? Ìbéèrè ńlá rèé o. ẹ gbọ́ ohun tó ń sọ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Kí ni wọ́n sọ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ nípa foundation Nàìjíríà? Ibo ni Nàìjíríà ń lọ lẹ́yìn gbogbo èyí tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí? Kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sọ́rọ̀ Nàìjíríà? ẹ wo nǹkan bẹ́nu fọ́nrán yìí o. bàbá yìí tú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àṣírí o, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ gbésẹ̀ ni wọ́n ní kí ààrẹ Tinubu gbé lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ìtẹ̀síwájú Nàìjíríà.
Tinubu never make people to hungry. If you live by government, you eat from government. If you live as a farmer, you eat from the what? From the farm. But now, Somali was telling us in 1983 that outside the Morocco, no farmer in the farm again. All of them is left. Go to Benin, go to Urubi, go to Biada, go to Ueli, go to Onitsha. They are back to the city. They don't want to farm again. They want to come and put laptop on their lap and eat. Then who will now make food for us? Before we are peasant farmers, everybody has a farm for plantain. Go to my mother's village in Egodolisa. They can sell plantain for you. At the back of every house, you will see 350, 70, 80 farm bananas, plantain. Go to Benin. Everybody has it in his village. But now, when you go there, one Chinese man will come and buy with trailer and take it to Onitsha and make it plantain chips, make it flour and export it to China. Then what is left for the people? Nothing. Now, even in Nigeria, in their body, in Osu, when they sell a tree, for the past 30 years now, they don't keep planting the tree again. Is it Tinubu's trouble? Is it the government trouble? No. So, come to the hunger that is out. When you are in Nigeria, let me ask me the question. Do you do medical checkup? Ask Dolina there. When he was in Nigeria and his father and my father, do they know how hospital guys? Then what are you talking? What is missing? How much can you contribute? If you have a garden, I have a garden, he has a garden, he has a garden. Look at chicken, turkey in my yard. Then turkey, 10. Can you be eating processed food again? No. We are lazy. If you ask your daughter now after 10 years in London, you want to eat dodo. If you ask what they get dodo, he said they plucked from a tree. That's what we are facing now. It's not to dodo. We should tell ourselves the bitter truth. We should go back to farm. And when you look at the book of Genesis 11, from verse 18 and 20, he said when Shem, the three sons of Noah, left the boat after the flood, they started tilling the land. They started farming. If you are in Europe, learn how to send money up to buy 3, 4, 5 acres before the Chinese will buy all the lands. So by tomorrow when you go home, you'll not see anywhere to farm at all. Because the rice you are eating here, do you know the type of idiot thing, stupid thing, British did to make food come into Europe? Do you know the bad thing American did? You know, before you have food in Africa, bring food to America. They go to other people's ocean and everything, and hijack and do everything. They go to Kenya, they go everywhere for cheap labor and bring everything to America, bring everything to UK. And look at the other time when you are facing trouble. Russia said you will not take anything from Europe.
ọ̀rọ̀ náà lẹ́ ń gbọ́ yìí o lẹ́nu wòlíì Tibetan ẹ̀rí pó lágbára kan bẹ́nu fọ́nrán yìí o.
As a man, they learn how to farm by themselves. So automatically, we should tell Nigerians to go and farm, to go and till the land. They should increase security in Nigeria and they should legalize ammunition. They should legalize ammunition. The way they give ammunition to the Fulanis, they should give it to the Yoruba in Yoruba. They should give it to the Yoruba in Owo. They should order more AK-47 into Nigeria and give it to every family. So if anybody, any useless person, call himself Fulani, call himself Mada, or anything, come to your village, to your street. We are the low 10 landlords. We come out with our own rifle. How can he go? But now they prove all the armory they build in Kaduna is just to shoot Nigerians, to shoot people in Asaba, to shoot people in Ilorin, to shoot people in Benin. There is army headquarters in Kaduna. Is there any river in Kaduna? No. We'll be cheated for long. The question you're asking today is not Tinubu's problem. It's not Tinubu's problem. It's the Fulani struggle. The Fulani don't have a base. They came from Tibetan. They are cattle yards. They don't have any lands in Africa. But now they want to come and take Guinea. Where are you going to put the Benin people? If Fulani want to take Ore, where are you going to put the original people living in Ore? So they are fighting a war that they cannot win. But I beg Tinubu government, if you cannot break us out of Nigeria has expired 2014. Then you have to sit down to write a plan, which is planning now. Under Tinubu regime now, we have census. Under Tinubu regime, there will be census. Before when the Northerners, 1979 census, they will be getting people's leg. The Alpha made it so bad, the Fulani made it so bad. Then they will put their leg on the top. You can never enter the house to go and meet their wife. You are counting infant and baby together. That they said people in the desert are more than people in the river area. It's not possible. We should learn how to say the truth in Nigeria. Now you now set kidnappers in every street of Akure, every street of Ondo. You say people should go to farm. They cannot go. Let Tinubu use his sense this time and legalize ammunition. Let everybody has big gun or rifle. So that anybody coming to your farm to kill you, they will be attacked. So if there's any civil war, we need ammunition. It should have local government police. It should have state police. Then because not anybody from Kano who can get the balance of Oba of Benin, that's fully. No, it's a visitor. Let the Benin person be put on uniform to get the Oba of Benin. Look at the anti-hero. Do you think cockroach can go there to take care of the queen? Inside the anti-hero? So you take notes. We don't have any issue at all. We don't have any matter. So the fact we'll be cheated for long. The question you are asking today is not Tinubu's problem.
tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ o kí lẹ rí sí kí lẹ rí gbámúnú gbogbo nǹkan tí bàbá yìí túlẹ̀ kí lẹ rí sọ sí nítorí pé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ti wá di nǹkan míì báyìí o ó ti ń kọjá abẹ́ ṣe lérò ẹ sì mọ̀ pé oríṣiríṣi ìran náà ni bàbá yìí ti sọ nípa ibi tí nàìjíríà ń forí lé kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí nàìjíríà nígbẹ̀yìngbẹ́yìn gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ni wọ́n ti sọ àwọn ìgbésẹ̀ tó yẹ kí ìjọba gbé lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn dáràndáràn àtàwọn àgbẹ̀ ńlẹ̀ yorùbá ọ̀nà wo ni gbogbo nǹkan báyìí máa fi dáwọ́ dúró tó jẹ́ pé àwọn èèyàn á láǹfààní láti lọ sóko láì bẹ̀rù láìsí wàhálà ní káwọn èèyàn lọ sóko ṣùgbọ́n kò sí security lóko ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ o bàbá Tibetan sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ dá sí ẹ drop comment and remember to like and follow us thanks for watching á lọ fún ìpolówó ọjà ẹ pé whatsapp number page yìí.
tẹ́ ẹ bá lè rí àmì ṣe gbogbo ogun tó lóhùn ní gbọ́ tó lóhùn ní gbà lórí ayé yín iná agbára ọlọ́run máa jó dànù kí lè nǹkan tẹ̀ ń là kọjá tó dàbí pé ẹ ti wá ọ̀nà àbáyọ ṣùgbọ́n tí ẹ ti rí ọ̀nà àbáyọ ẹ ti pàdé wòlíì yín ló fà ṣùgbọ́n arán mi sí ọ lónìí dádì arán mi sí ọ lónìí mọ́mì olúwa lòun fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan ńlá nínú ayé yín olúwa sọ wípé gbogbo tẹ̀ ń là kọjá yẹn òun fẹ́ fi òpin sí kí nìkan tẹ̀ ń là kọjá lórí ìgbéyàwó ni lórí ọmọ ni lórí iṣẹ́ ni níbi gbogbo ni bóyá ogun kan ló dàbí pé ogun yẹn le ẹ ti gbìyànjú kò tí ì sí ọ̀nà àbáyọ ẹ jẹ́ àjọ gbàdúrà ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wá ojú olúwa kí làṣírí ogun yẹn gangan ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wádìí lọ́wọ́ ọlọ́run ká dẹ̀ mọ ọ̀nà àbáyọ ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ fi pè mí fún àdúrà àti ọ̀nà àbáyọ òun náà ni +234 70 25 47 5427 +234 70 25 47 5427 bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń pè mí fún àdúrà lórúkọ Jésù ẹ máa rí ìyanu